Congratulations on your internship with the chess division of our company. You are going to make chess pieces for the board that is given. You see it right here on the screen. And we get to use a brand new command when we make these pieces called the revolve command. So in Autodesk, we're just going to go to the My Home tab on the bottom. We're going to open a new parts file like we've done many times in the past. And we're going to click on Start 2D Sketch, pick a window to draw in, and we're going to start drawing. To make sure that all these pieces fit on the board, we are going to put some axes or some lines down on the screen that are going to guide us as we design these parts. So I'm going to click on the line tool. I'm going to go somewhere towards the top of my screen. I'm going to click, point it straight down, and this line's going to be 2 inches long. So I'm going to type 2 and enter. I now see that maybe I need to zoom out a little more to see the bottom of it. And from this point I want to go to the right. I want it to be 0.5 inches going to the right. Okay. If I'm done, then I can right click using my mouse and press OK. So there we have a vertical line that's 2 inches and a horizontal line that's 0.5 inches. I'm going to do the profile of half of a chess piece. And what we're going to do is, best we can, design our own chess piece. Here's what I've already done. And I'm going to do the profile. And then the command we use is up here at the top called revolve. So just to kind of give you a heads up, and this is what's going to happen, I click revolve, I click axis, then I'm going to click this long line, this 2-inch line, and when I do, it's going to give me a part that's now 3-dimensional. This is a pawn for a chess set. I just made the plans a couple minutes ago and thought it might be helpful to see how the revolve command works before we start drawing. Okay? So here's our drawing page. We just had 2 inches by 0.5 inches. This is a good size for a pawn. If you have taller pieces, the queen or the king, you can extend them past 2 inches. But this is kind of a good way to go. All right. Most pawns have a circle, a little ball on the top. So I am just going to do that. Use my scissors, my trim tool to cut away the excess because everything can only be in profile. And then I'm going to use a combination of the line and the arc tools to kind of adjust what it looks like in the middle. Okay, here I'm just going to draw a little arc here, a little bubble. Maybe I'm going to use the arc and try to do a little farther out. Trying to think about what they look like. You can go online and get some ideas for chess pieces if you want. Do searches on maybe modern chess pieces or odd looking or unique chess pieces and kind of see what you come up with. Okay, maybe this one I'm going to do a line, so we'll just kind of break it off here a little bit. Go back to my arc tool. And then I'll do a little bubble here on the bottom. So I'll go all the way down, zoom in so I can see what I'm doing. Looks pretty good. I see I missed a spot, so I'm going to click OK. Grab this dot, move it over till I get a green dot. Now I'm connecting things together. Up here I know there's an extra line, so it's not a profile. I'll take my scissors and cut this extra line away. And now, kind of looks good. Well, I say that now. Let's see what it looks like when we revolve it. Okay, so I'm going to click Finish Sketch. I'm going to click the Revolve tool from the top. We want to revolve by an axis. That axis is the 2-inch line we drew. So I'm going to click on Axis. I'm going to click on that 2-inch line, and then I'm going to click the pawn. And this is what turned up. Not too bad. It's an interesting shape. A lot of the other chess pieces you make will be a little more intricate, but this is a good place to start. You have a total of 12 chess pieces to make, and good luck.